I'm your Forex friend from Learn Forex with Friends, and I'm here to share with you how, as a member of our community, you can get capital, risk capital, to trade the financial markets. But before we continue, let's take a look at this government required risk disclosure. I also want to disclose that I'm not an expert. I'm not a trading pro or anything like that. But what I've created is a system designed to give you the basic tools you need. It's designed to give you an edge to compete in the financial market. Now, what's being taught at Learn Forex with Friends are the basic fundamental principles involved with foreign exchange. It teaches you how the market moves and how you can participate in the market to make profits. Now, I've been trading Forex for about a year now, and I've made a decision that this is it. This is what I want to do for a living. I just absolutely love it. Like, what's not to love about it? I can trade whenever I want to, wherever I want to. Look at me. I'm in my car and I'm trading from my car. You know, you can trade Forex whether the market is up, whether it's down, even if there's a global economic crisis and all the other markets are down, you can trade Forex because it's always moving. Now, while I've been in the market, I've come to the realization that it is almost impossible to make a living trading Forex with anything less than $10,000 in your trading account. And I don't care what they want to say. Some people say you can start with $100. Some people say you can start with $500. But they're just setting you up for failure. A lot of times when traders lose in the market, it's not necessarily because they are bad traders. It's because they're undercapitalized. And yes, I know there are traders who have blown $10,000 accounts. And I've known traders who have blown more than $10,000 accounts. What the bottom line is, traders would stand a better chance if they had sufficient risk capital to start up with in the first place. When trading small accounts, I find that psychology gets in the way. It's like my own eagerness pressures me to want to build my account up to a certain point where I can make a comfortable living. I begin using excessive leverage, buying positions with, large lot sizes. I have turned, $10 accounts into $100 in a day. I have turned my account into $2,500 in a week. And then I have successfully, within another week, brought my account back down to zero. Learn Forex with Friends uses a system that's centered around risk management, but risk management with a tweak. For instance, they say only use capital that you can afford to lose. Well, guess what? We've got your back. We're going to be giving you this risk capital. They say use a stop loss. We say yes, use a stop loss, but only when you're in profit. They say don't over leverage. And we emphasize using appropriate lot sizes. Now, let's say we're working with an account balance of $20,000. We would recommend using a lot size of 0.40. And when you trade conservatively like this, say risking 1% per trade, you can reasonably make about $400 daily. And that's the kind of income that I'm looking for. I don't know about you, but I would be comfortable making that kind of income. And yes, $20,000 is just the kind of risk capital that we will be offering you at the end of the course, when you complete the course and all its requirements. So basically how our course works is that you have to go through 4 course levels. There's a freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior. But before you move on to each level, you have to unlock and pass a quiz. And on passing this quiz, you're going to be allotted education credits and you'll be eligible to move on to the next course area. Now, when you get these education credits, which is, real cash, you can do whatever you want with it. But as long as it's under $10,000, do not try to trade it. Now, here comes the easy and fun part. Unlocking the quiz. To unlock a quiz, you're challenged to fill 4 seats in your classroom. You're going to fill these seats with classmates who have a vested interest in learning about the foreign exchange market. And it is these same students who are going to be following you through each course level. They're going to be doing a follow the leader kind of situation. And as they follow you, they're going to be helping you to meet your goals. So that sounds like loads of fun, right? Well, some people think that's hard, but is it really? Would you say it's harder than getting a loan? You're going to get a $20,000 loan to trade foreign exchange. Like, don't you have to pay that loan back? Okay, well, how about saving $10,000 to $20,000 to trade? With your current income, how long will it take you to save that kind of money? You may say, the lottery. Like, you will go through this course about 100 times before you win that lottery. Like, come on now. And how about the same one, building your account up to $10,000? We have been through that story. You know it's not going to happen. And even if you're very conservative with the small capital that you have, after a while, you're going to get pressured. Psychology is going to play with your mind, and you're going to start over leveraging your account all over again. And if you're disciplined, it's going to take you a while to build your account to that amount. So let's face it, this is as easy as it gets. So you're just going to stop being selfish and share the knowledge with 4 other people who are just dying to get involved in Forex. So if you're ready to spend $15, just $15 to make a decent income trading the foreign exchange markets, join our community. Join us and share the knowledge, share ideas, and share risk capital. Go to our website at www.learnforexwithfriends.com and enroll. Remember to enter the email address of the person who invited you when asked.